Hello gentlemen, let me start with something simple. You can't conserve what you don't measure accurately. That belief is the foundation of IOTA Flow. We help utility teams take control of their energy usage through precise, reliable measurement. From flow meters for water, oil, air, gas and steam to advanced compressor efficiency monitoring at the delivery point and across distribution networks, we ensure visibility where it matters the most. Our expertise extends to complete liquid fuel management, covering the entire journey from receipt and transfer to day tanks and finally to fuel consuming equipment. Together, these capabilities allow us to support the entire life cycle of utility measurement and conservation, all backed by a powerful online platform for compliance, transparency and actionable analytics. With the support of Toyota production system we have been working with for last 4 years, we deliver what every operations team values the most: peace of mind. This focus on building a lean culture ensures a strong training and ownership culture, one where we take full responsibility for outcomes, not just installations. It defines our purpose, our mission and the value we bring to our customers. At IOTA Flow, we truly put the customer first. We have inverted the traditional organizational pyramid and placed the customer at the very top. We live and breathe lean, which we treat as human development system through practices like SMED, Kanban and Kaizen. We openly share our progress through before and after case videos on our YouTube channel. Let me share the trust placed on us by India's leading industries organizations that trust us and have reinforced that trust with long-term partnerships. Our solutions are designed around applications, not products, based on real operational experience. These include leakage monitoring for compressed air, industrial gases, oil, efficiency optimization of compressors, DG sets, combustion systems, process control through batch management and flow rate monitoring, loss prevention including pilferage detection and oil loss during transit. By focusing on application, we address real operational challenges and deliver measurable, quantifiable results. That's IOTA Flow, friends. Thank you.